Today is Sunday, June 11. Market is closed. And on the last trading day, Friday, June 9, the last hour at 3 p.m., we detected unusual options activity on Nike. And so in this video, we are going to analyze these unusual options because we've identified this strategy as a no loss, zero loss strategy, which is risk free. So if you're interested in this type of strategy, continue to watch this video to learn. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So these were the June 16th expiration dates, and the 120 strike puts and the 125 strike puts you'll see here. Lots of them. So when we look at the options chain, June 16 expires in just 5 days. So very soon. And you'll notice that this strike price is deep in the money at 125 strike puts because Nike is trading at 105. And this 11,000 is the total volume. And also for the 120 strike puts is also 11,000. So we know these are opening orders because these are greater than the open interest. And when we look at this, these prices here, we believe they're selling this 125 strike put and buying the 120 strike puts and collecting a max credit of $500. This is also the max you could get with this bull put spread because the width of the strikes is 5. And this strategy, when we analyze it, is a deep in the money bull put spread. And you'll see here Nike is at 105 currently. As we move down in price on the x-axis, you'll see that the loss is 0. It doesn't go to the negatives, right? And so that's why it's a no loss trading strategy. And so as we go up, it starts to profit more. As we go up higher, it eventually hits that max profit of 500 as we go up more. And so this risk to reward ratio is very good for a strategy like this, very high. And you'll see here, this commission, we are actually excluding it right now, but if you include it, there's actually a little minor loss just because you have to pay some fees to your broker. So if you include the commission, then it's not completely no loss technically because you do have to pay maybe $1 to your broker to put on options trades. And so keep that in mind. And also because this is June 16 expiring, you may get assigned on this trade because they're deep in the money. And so the trader that put on this trade, you can see here, about 11,000 of them, since it's 5-point wide, that's $500 of buying power required. And since there's 11,000 of them, this was effectively $5.5 million of buying power or capital required to put on this trade. So this large investor was willing to own the Nike at this 125 price. So that's something that is also giving us a little indication that there is some bullishness in Nike at this time. And if you look at the charts, you'll also see here that this past few days, Nike did hit a bottom around here on May 31, which was tested also last year right here back in December for earnings, and it bounced up from there. And so could it bounce back up? Possibly, because there's also the FOMC Fed meeting this week that could make some large moves in the market. And so anything can happen. And so possibly this trade was done because of that. And so if you are interested in other stocks with unusual options activity, or you'd like to see our exact trades, you can watch new exclusive videos on our channel to learn how we are trading based on unusual options activity. As you know, you can increase your chances of success in trading or investing if you diversify your portfolio and trade other stocks, not just Nike. And so these exclusive videos for members only analyze other stocks with new data from unusual options activity. So you can trade it based on the most recent data that comes in on a daily basis. So just click on the join button on our channel to learn more about our memberships to gain access to these exclusive videos. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we detect these unusual option activities. As usual, please give us a thumbs up. It encourages us to make more videos, and comment below on what you think about this no risk trading strategy. Have you tried something like that? Comment below, let us know. And if you haven't, well, maybe just do it like what Nike does all the time. That's their slogan, right? All right, take care, everybody, and have a wonderful weekend.